Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a look at LEGO Star Wars set number 75250, the Pasaana Speeder Chase. This set includes 4 minifigures and 373 pieces. Let's take a look at the box. On the front of the box you can see that Rey and BB-8 are on their red little speeder on the run from the First Order Stormtroopers, which are riding their motorcycle. The sides of the box don't have much except for the small picture of Rey. And another close-up shot of the speeder. As we can see on the back of the box, both the motorcycle and the speeder resting in the sand. There's a small little tent covering a box of tools. And we have these stormtroopers searching for BB-8 and Rey. We also can see some of the features highlighted here on the back. Inside this set we get one instruction manual, three bags, and a small sheet of stickers. Alright, let's get building. Here we have our first minifigure, which is a First Order tread speed driver. He has a classic First Order Stormtrooper helmet, a slightly different Stormtrooper body that designates him as a driver, and a small sidearm. And here we have our second minifigure, which is the First Order Jet Trooper. He's got a quite unique helmet, a nice detailed body and legs, and a fancy jetpack. Minifigure, BB-8. For being such a small droid, the soccer ball shaped BB-8 does have quite a lot of detail. Alright, and here is our fourth minifigure, Rey. Rey can be seen wearing her white Jedi robes and a lightsaber in her hand. Alright, we just finished building. Let's take a look at what we made. Here's the tread speeder with the stormtroopers riding it. As you can see up front, it has two different types of guns. One of them does actually shoot, whereas the other is just cosmetic. Here is the speeder that Rey is riding with BB-8. There is a little control stick on it to simulate a actual, well, control stick. There is a nice asymmetric look to this and some decent weathering as well to really pull the ship together. And I gotta say, out of the two vehicles, this is definitely my favorite. It also up front has a single gun that can be shot. And here's the final part of the set, which is this little tent. It has one box that has a lid which you can put things in, a little crate which has some tools like a chainsaw and a grappling hook, and then it also has a ladder on the side with some binoculars attached to it. I got this set for $40, not including tax, and I'd say it's about worth it. You get two vehicles, a little tent with some trinket in it, and four very unique and very cool minifigures. If I was to rate this set out of 10, I think I would give it a 6.5 to 7. It's nothing crazy, but it is still a fun set. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to tap that like and subscribe button with notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night.